You have the question, which kind of heated insole is the best for you? I were looking for a heated insole for biking because I'm still not fit. So I have to start my exercises right now. But if I go out by bike right now, I come ill back. So, well, it's due to cold feet, as you know. And here with Dr. Warm or Dr. Warm, you might have the solution. So first of all, please hit the like button below, because friends of mine, they are telling me that you are not reaching more than 50 likes for such kind of videos. So please help and support me by hit the bell button, hit the like button. And if you find this video helpful, a little bit out of the box, as you know, I make reviews for backpacks, and you want to give me also an additional idea, please leave me it in the comment below. Let's start. The Dr. Warm comes across with a plug for the charger, and as you could see, it comes across with an USB wire and a remote control. So with this remote control, you could turn on, turn off, and you could place 3 different heating levels from low, medium to high. But nevertheless, if you don't have the remote control, you could also turn it on here on the bottom, and here you have to place the wire in. So as you could see, the shape is, well, not as good as the Kilimanjaro's, as you could see, but it gives you a comfortable wearing. So here you have a foamy inside that your heel has a little bit of absorption, and also in the middle of the foot you have also a shape, a foaming shape. You have also a little bit of, you could see, your foot, and you could cut it into different lengths. So you have the possibility to cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 different insole lengths. So in that case, you have here 2 sizes. So from 41 to 46 and from 35 to 40. So it's for female or male, so it doesn't matter. And the most important thing is, how long does it last for heating? Please follow the link below. There you will get into my blog, and I wrote you down, I make the test. How long does it last with warm feet, and also how long does it take to charge it? So the good thing is they are a little bit flexible till the battery. So the rigid part is the back of the foot, and here in the front of the foot is where the ball of the foot is. It's very flexible and thin, as you could see. Here the battery is in this part, and therefore it's important that you have a foamy protective layer on top, that you could walk comfortable. Have a look to this video here on the corner, because in this video I will show you 7 different models, as you could see, from heated to Berchard, Lutateo and so on, and to give you a very good view which is the best for you. See you in the next video.